Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to solve a completely shuffled Rubik's Cube. So this video will be divided into 4 parts and I'll show you what we're going to do in each part. Part is solving the cross. The second part is going to be solving the entire first layer. The part is solving the entire second layer. And the last and final part, the fourth part, is solving the last layer using a few algorithms. So now first let's just get off into the basics. So the basics is the notation. So first I'm going to be showing you what is the notation, and I'll be keeping probably a few letters over here which tell what the symbol of that notation is. So this is called R, which is moving the right layer up just like so, and R prime, which is moving the right layer down. This is U moving the right layer to the left side, and this is U prime moving the upper layer to the right side. This is D moving the down layer to the left, and this is D prime moving the down layer to the right. This is F moving the front side clockwise. This is F prime moving the front side anti-clockwise. This is L moving the left side down, and this is L prime moving the left side up. So these are the basic moves you have to learn in order to solve a Rubik's Cube. Guys, this is a cross, or a plus if you would want to call it that, but in cubing terms we call it a cross. So this is a cross, and this is the first step in order to solve a Rubik's Cube. And now I'm going to tell why this cross is bad and why this cross is good. But first I need to tell you about something. So we have to learn about what are each type of piece called on a Rubik's Cube. So these pieces, the ones in between two corners, are known as the edges, which have 2 colors, and these ones are known as corners, which have 3 colors and are the things that are around the edge. And this thing in the middle is called the center and determines which side it is. So if I were to say yellow side, that means this is the yellow side. And if I say yellow center, this is the yellow center. I'll tell you why this is a bad cross and why this is a good cross. So as I told you, each edge has 2 colors. And in this one, the edge is matching with both the colors. So white is matching with white and orange is matching with orange, and it's like so on every side. But on this one, it's not matching on both the colors except for this. So I'm going to tell you how to solve the cross properly. So guys, first you want to scramble up your entire cube, and the first step is to get all the white edges. As I told you, the edges are these, all the white edges to the yellow side, and the white should be face up. So now if I want to move this white edge to the top, I would just do that, which bring it to the top. Now this white edge, I would do this and bring it to the top. Now this white edge, if I were to do that, white wouldn't be on the top. So what you want to do is move the white edge only once to the right side. Now if you do this, you're gonna knock out this white edge, which is bad, and you don't want to do that. So instead what you do is you move the upper layer to an empty spot. So these 2 are the empty spots since they don't have the white edges. So move it to the empty spot, and now move the white edge on the top, and now this is our last white edge. And now do the same thing. You want to bring it under, move it up, but it's flipped. So what you want to do is move it to the right side, and then move the empty spot on the top and move it back up. And that's the first step in solving the cross. Now the second step is to match all the pieces in the cross. Now you got the white. Now neither the white nor the other colors of the white edges are solved. So first we're gonna solve the colors other than the white. So first what you want to do is, this is a white and red edge. So what you would do is match it up with red and bring it down so it would match up with white. Now we'll take a look at the rest. Okay, now this orange is already matched with the orange, and if we want to match white, we would move it twice, which will form white, like that. And now for this, green is over here, so I would move it twice so it will match with green, and I'll move it down again, and now it's matched, so we would bring it down, and that's how you're supposed to do the cross. Now let's take a look at another cross. So the first step is moving all the white edges to the top. This white edge is already on the yellow face, so now I'll move this white edge to the yellow face. This one is flipped, so if I would do this, it would knock out this white edge and also be flipped, which is very bad. So in this case, what you want to do is, these two are the empty spots since they don't have any white edge. Let's say it's like this, then these three would be the empty spots since they don't have a white edge. So let's keep it back. Now these two are the empty spots. So I'll move an empty spot here so that I can freely move the white edge like that. That way I can move the empty spot again on top of the white edge and do this. So now we have three edges on the top, and there is only one last edge which has to go in, which is into that slot. So now let's look for that. It's over here. So first I'm going to just bring it under that slot and then do something like this, bring it to the right. Now bring this empty slot above that edge and move it up. Now we've got all the edges on the top. So now first we have to match it up with the other center. So we got white and green. Now we have to match it with the green center. So match it up with the green center, move it down. It's matching with the white now. Now let's go for orange, match it with the orange, bring it down to match it with the white. Now this, it's already matched with the blue, so if I bring it down, it's gonna get this. And now we have to do this one, match it with the red and bring it down, which will solve the red. So now you have learned how to solve a cross. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.